Welcome to the Sproutmation Robot Fleet Management Portal. This centralized platform gives you complete visibility into your autonomous cleaning fleet, with real-time monitoring, detailed analytics, and actionable insights that go beyond what any single manufacturer portal can provide. The fleet dashboard is your daily command center. At a glance, you can see how many robots are online, which ones are actively cleaning, total area cleaned today, and any active alerts. The activity chart shows mission trends and robot availability over the past 7 days. The fleet breakdown table shows status by site, so you know exactly what is happening at each location. The fleet page lists every robot with live status indicators. Click into any robot to access instant controls, including start, stop, pause, and return to dock. You can also view the robot's current battery level, map assignment, and cleaning schedule. This works across all manufacturers from a single interface. Analytics lets you explore fleet performance over any date range. Select last month, this month, or a custom range. You will see total area cleaned in square feet, cleaning hours versus total runtime, daily trends, and your top performing robots ranked by area cleaned. Filter by site for location-specific analysis. The Operational Insights page is where data becomes action. Error analysis identifies trouble spots by time of day and location. Battery efficiency comparison shows which robot models deliver the most cleaning per battery charge. Water consumption trends help you plan maintenance. And auto-generated actionable alerts flag issues like door obstructions, water refills, and robots with above-average failure rates. Generate professional fleet reports with one click for any date range. Reports include an executive summary, daily mission trends, top-performing robots, site breakdowns, robot utilization, and period-over-period comparison showing percentage changes. Export to a clean, printer-friendly PDF ready for stakeholder presentations. The Sproutmation Robot Fleet Management Portal gives your team visibility and control that no single manufacturer portal can match. Cross-reference data across your entire fleet, identify operational improvements, and demonstrate the value of your automation investment. Visit rfm.sproutmation.com to get started.